Ever wonder how computers recognize faces in photos, suggest the next movie you'll love, or even help doctors diagnose diseases? These are just a few examples of artificial intelligence in action, quietly shaping our everyday lives in ways we might not even notice. That's AI, and behind the scenes, Python is the language powering so much of this innovation. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, Python is the backbone of countless AI breakthroughs. Python is incredibly popular because it's easy to learn, with a clean, readable syntax that feels almost like writing plain English. This means you can pick it up quickly, even if you're new to programming. Instead of getting lost in complicated programming rules or spending hours debugging, you can focus on what really matters: building smart models, experimenting with ideas, and solving real-world problems. Think of Python as the ultimate toolbox for AI, packed with powerful, ready-made libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These tools are trusted by professionals and beginners alike. With these libraries, you can skip the hardest parts of coding from scratch and jump straight into building, testing, and improving your own AI projects, often in just a few lines of code. Python's simplicity and massive support network make it the perfect first step for anyone curious about AI, whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or looking to start a new career. And when you learn Python, you're not just picking up a language. You're joining a global community of developers, researchers, and creators, all sharing knowledge and helping each other grow. With Python, you can turn your ideas into real AI projects, even as a beginner. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can go from a simple concept to a working application. Ready to unlock the world of artificial intelligence? With Python as your guide, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive in and see what you can create. Let's take our first steps together and discover how you can use Python to bring your own AI ideas to life. The journey starts now, and you're in the perfect place to begin. Python's three superpowers make it the champion of AI: simplicity, libraries, and community. These pillars are what set Python apart from other programming languages, especially when it comes to building intelligent systems and solving complex problems. Its code reads almost like plain English, making it incredibly easy to pick up, even for beginners. You don't have to memorize confusing rules or get lost in complicated syntax. This simplicity means you can focus on learning concepts and building projects, rather than getting stuck on the language itself. Python's vast collection of libraries, like NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, and Matplotlib for visualization, handle the heavy lifting for data and machine learning. These libraries are well documented, widely used, and constantly updated by experts, so you always have the latest tools at your fingertips. For AI, you'll use powerful libraries like Scikit-learn for machine learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, and many more. With just a few lines of code, you can build, train, and deploy sophisticated models that would take much longer in other languages. The global Python community is always there to help, with answers, tutorials, and support everywhere online. Whether you're stuck on a bug or looking for advice on best practices, you'll find countless resources, from forums and blogs to video tutorials and online courses. Stuck on a problem? Chances are someone's already faced the same issue and shared their solution. The community's willingness to help means you're never truly coding alone. This combination, easy-to-read syntax, powerful and ever-growing libraries, and a huge, welcoming support network, makes Python the foundation of modern AI. It's the language that brings together people, ideas, and technology to push the boundaries of what's possible. When you start learning Python, you're not just picking up a programming language. You're joining a global movement of innovators, creators, and problem solvers who are shaping the future of technology. Python's ecosystem will support you at every step, from your very first script to building advanced AI projects that can change the world. No matter your background or experience, there's a place for you in the Python community. By choosing Python, you're setting yourself up for success in AI and beyond. You're giving yourself the best chance to learn quickly, build efficiently, and collaborate with others. The easy syntax gets you started quickly, so you can turn your ideas into reality without unnecessary hurdles. The Powerful libraries give you the tools to build sophisticated applications without reinventing the wheel, letting you focus on innovation instead of repetitive tasks. And the supportive community is always there to help you when you need it, making your journey in AI both exciting and achievable. To start coding AI, you need the right environment. Anaconda is the easiest way. Install it, and you get Python plus all the key data science libraries. Jupyter Notebook, included with Anaconda, lets you write code in small blocks and see results instantly. Prefer not to install anything. Google Colab runs in your browser, with all major AI libraries pre-installed and free access to GPUs. As you grow, try Visual Studio Code for more advanced projects. Start with Anaconda and Jupyter, then explore Colab and VS Code as you advance. With these tools, you're ready to learn, experiment, and build real AI projects. Your workshop is set. Let's get coding. Before building AI, you need to master Python's basics. Variables store information, numbers, text, or more. Python figures out data types for you: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Lists and dictionaries help you organize collections of data. Think shopping lists or real dictionaries. These simple structures are the foundation for every AI project. With just a few lines, you can store, access, and manipulate data. Master these basics, and you're ready to tackle bigger challenges. Let's keep going. Your AI journey is just beginning. Now, let's make your code smarter with loops and functions. Loops let you repeat actions, print every item in a list, process data, and more, all with just a few lines. Functions are reusable blocks of code for specific tasks. Write once, use anywhere. They keep your code organized and efficient. For example, use a loop to calculate averages and a function to wrap that logic for reuse. These tools help you break big problems into manageable pieces. Practice them until they're second nature. They're the building blocks of every AI program you'll write. Master loops and functions, and you're ready for real-world coding. It's time for your first real project, analyzing data with pandas. This is where you'll see how powerful and user-friendly Python can be for data analysis. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, Pandas makes it easy to work with data in ways that would be tedious in spreadsheets. Think of Pandas' data frame as a supercharged spreadsheet, but inside Python. It lets you organize, filter, and transform your data with just a few lines of code. You can load your data, clean it up, and analyze it, all with simple, readable commands. No more endless scrolling or manual calculations. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine you have a dictionary of student test scores. You can turn this into a data frame in seconds. Just import pandas as PD. Data equals sign student. Media group. Table with columns for student. Math_score. Science_score. Close-up of a code editor with a data frame displayed at stock at distribute_equally. Anna, Ben, Clara, David. Math_score. 85, 90, 78, 92. Science_score. 88, 82, 95, 89. df equals sign PD, data frame, data, print, df. Instantly, you have a neat table to work with. Want to calculate averages? It's just one line. Average_math equals sign df math score mean. No need for complicated formulas or extra steps. Need to add new columns? It's just as easy. For example, you can create a total_score column by adding math and science scores together. df total score equals sign df math score plus df science score. Print df. With Pandas, you can explore, manipulate, and summarize your data in seconds. It's fast, flexible, and designed for real-world tasks. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step into real data analysis. With Pandas, you're ready to tackle bigger and more interesting projects ahead. Data comes alive with visualization. Matplotlib turns numbers into charts, bar graphs, scatter plots, and more. Let's plot student math scores. Import matplotlib.pyplot as pltplt.bar def a student def math score. Color sky blue. Plotter title student math scores. Plotter's label student plt y label score. Plt.show. Try a scatter plot to see relationships between math and science scores. Visuals reveal patterns you can't see in tables, an essential skill for AI. Now for the magic, machine learning. With Python's Scikit-learn, you can build predictive models in minutes. Example, predict exam scores from hours studied using linear regression. From sklearn.linear_model import. Linear regression, import NumPy as npx_train =np.array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y_train np.array 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 model linear regression model.fit x_train y_train hours_to_predict np.array 6 predicted _score model.predict hours_to_predict print of predicted score for 6 hours of study predicted _score 0. With just a few lines, you've built your first AI model. You've seen why Python is perfect for AI and built your first projects. Now it's time to take action. Step 1. Set up your environment with Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Step 2. Practice the basics, variables, lists, loops, and functions by writing real code. Step 3. Build a mini project. Analyze a dataset with Pandas and visualize it with Matplotlib. Completing a project proves you can do this. From here, explore Scikit-learn and dive deeper into machine learning. The world of AI is open to you. Just start coding. Welcome to your future in AI. Let's build something amazing together.